Good morning.
Wow! Hindi nakakatagal. Saan yung galing po? Saan kayo? Ah, Muntinlupa.
Walang visa. Walang visa.
Wala na pa aga.
Namalengke lang po ako sa Bartemo. Alright, everybody. We have talks about bicycles and their the other apparel bicycles. So we are here to inform you what's new in 2025, heading up to 2026.
For example, Majin has a new bike trainer. They have the
Ooh.
T500.
Super gumanda, Magin, ha? Yung
Yes.
functionality siya, galing, ha? Later we'll talk to them about it. But I think they have one of the hottest items that's been evolving.
Exactly, from cycling computers
Yeah,
to bike
before they were
trainers.
a little heavy and the heavy side, a bit functional lang. Now it's also
Sumasabay
performance.
eh, oo.
Yeah, sumasabay. So again, welcome once again to